Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will walk you through the ultimate Google Workspace AI tutorial. Everything you can do with Gemini AI across Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Meet, Drive, and more. First up, let's talk about Gemini AI. This is your personal AI assistant, like similar to ChatGPT but fully integrated with Google Workspace. And here you can ask Gemini about everything, like to generate content or brainstorm ideas, write code, draft emails, create tasks, and even connect directly with Google Calendar, Keeps, and tasks. And to use this Gemini, you can also use a voice commands, and you can also create custom gems by just clicks on Explore Gems, and then just clicks on New Gems, like templates for repeated tasks. And inside Gmail, Gemini can summarize the email tweets, and then it can suggest quick replies or responses, and then it can also find information that from your previous emails, such as reservation flights or ticket tracking details, and then it can access Google Drive files to help you compose emails or find details, and then it can also manage Google Calendar event, that it can provide information about your Google Calendar, and then create new events based on your request or information in email, and then it can also ask questions from the web, and even it can also create images and organize your inbox. And on the Google Drive, Gemini will help you to summarize a topic, and then it also can summarize a folder or just pull insights from multiple files, and then it can also discuss topic from one or more files in your drive, and then Gemini can help you get quick facts about a project or topic without needing to find through relevant documents, and then it can also move or create Google files and folders, and even it can generate images and designs. And next is it, Gemini can type codes, and then it can also create a formulas, generate data analysis and insights, and then it can build charts and graphs, summarize files and emails, and then it can also perform actions like applying conditional formatting, creating new pivot tables, adding a new drop downs, and sorting or filtering your data. It can also reduce data entry errors, and it can also run multiple actions in your spreadsheet at once, like generating, summarizing, or categorizing text based on your instructions or your prompt. And then on Google Docs, Gemini can help you to generate a document, helps you to create a full document like a draft, plan, or report with a single prompt. And then it can also help you write a document like refines and expand text instantly, or just polish it with AI-powered edits. And next on Google Slides, Gemini can generate new slides or generate an image, and then it can also summarize presentations, and then can write or rewrite content, the text on your slides, and it can also reference your drive files or Gmail emails, that it can use informations, so you can use information from your Google Drive or Gmail to generate content or new slides. And then there's also Google Feeds and Google Flow, where you can create AI-powered video slides and even full video ads using templates, voiceovers, and AI-generated visuals. And then on Google Meet, Gemini can take meeting notes for you and even generate AI backgrounds by clicks on these icons, and then just clicks on generate a background, and then just type your prompt about the background. And next in Notebook LM, you can get AI generated report like living docs or summaries, and then you can also get a AI note, then mind map, and then even you can get podcast styles audio overview and video overview about your files. It's super useful for learning and analysis. And okay, that's it, the full power of Gemini AI inside Google Workspace. Gemini is here to save you time and boost productivity. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.